Good morning to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. I am happy to be here again. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, my name is Opeola, the creator of Qora Digital Cash. I use this platform to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money successfully online. Okay, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there, and make sure you practice well on demo before you go live with any of the strategies shared here. And if you love my videos, do not forget to give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and you can also join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is also on the screen below the email address, and also you will find all this in the description box below this video. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Check the subscription button below this video, click on it, and also click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, today we will be looking at an amazing topic. Actually, this topic is the continuation of yesterday's video. Today's video is the continuation of yesterday's video. I only gave it a different title: Trading Boom and Crash Using Higher Time Frame. I think this title is more befitting to the video. Okay, Trading Boom and Crash Using the Higher Time Frame. So that is what we'll be looking at. We'll be analyzing the market using the higher time frame. Then we'll see how we can place order with it in lower time frame. So that is what we'll be looking at, and we'll be doing that very soon. So let's go to the trading platform. Before going fully into that, we'll quickly do the market analysis. We will be starting with the with Boom 1000, and we are using the crusher indicator. This is how the crusher indicator looks like. It comes with the arrow, the red and the white arrow. In some cases you'll be having blue arrow. Then it also comes with the histogram here. This is the PZ super trend, the dashboard here, and the lines here contains the PZ super trend. Is a free custom made indicator you find in the market section below here on the MT5 trading platform. So that is that about that. If you are not having the PZ super trend, you can make use of the shares trend. I have the download link to the shares trend in my Telegram channel. So if you are yet to join my Telegram channel and you need the shares trend, then you can check below this video, check the description box for my Telegram channel, click on it and join in order for you to download the shares trend from there. So that is that about that. Okay, let's do the analysis using the crusher indicator. If you are having the crusher indicator, please follow through. If you are not having, just listen and use whatever indicator you have with you. Okay, that is that about that. My own analysis is not giving you a final decision on what to do in the market, because I'm doing it as at now. So although that will help you to have an idea of what to look out for in the market. From the dashboard, we can see that Crash 1000 had been on uptrend for a while now. It had been on uptrend, so this is not a suitable time for us to sell if you want to sell Boom, but it is a good time for us to buy the spikes. And you can see the window indicator also confirming that too. So that is about that. Although at a certain time in the morning we've gotten an opportunity to sell for a while, not for a very long time, but for a while. This actually gave us 26 minutes candles. I expect us to exit the markets here before it spikes. So that is 26 minutes candles. If you should do your calculation very well, 26 minutes with a lot size of 5, that should give you times 2.50. That should give you $65. So that is amazing. That should give you $65. So this is what you can get if you had been using the crusher indicator to trade. All you just need to do is just to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market, and if you follow the rules you will know all this. That's why I always tell you that whatever indicator you are using, make sure you practice well with it and make sure you understand the rule guiding it. Once you understand this, then you will be able to use the indicator effectively. Check out this is another opportunity for you to trade with, and check it out. This actually gives 35 minutes candles. So that is that about that. But at the moment, boom 1000 is on uptrend at the moment. Is on uptrend at the moment. You can see it sold for a while here, but you can see the exit arrow already out because boom 1000 is on uptrend and it is already around the PZ super trend line, so which means it could lead into a spike any moment from now. So that is that about that. So let's check out crash 1000. Let's check out crash 1000. Let me take it backward. Okay, at the moment crash 1000 is on uptrend. For those that love buying crash, this is a good moment for you to jump into the market. You can see it's been on uptrend on the dashboard, so generally it is on uptrend. You can see you find it going up for a while. Once it gets to a major resistance level, then it will crash down a bit before going back on uptrend. You can see this is an opportunity for you to come into to jump into the market. I expect you to exit the market somewhere here, that is 9 minutes candles, before coming in again. And there are several opportunities that have been given this morning for those that loves buying. Okay, this is another opportunity for you to buy. You can buy to this level. That is another 12 minutes candles, and that is that about that. So let's check out crash 500. Let's check out crash 500. Let's see what is happening with crash 500. So for crash 500, let's see what is happening there. Okay, for crash 500 at the moment is on uptrend and it is going up. It is suitable for those that want to buy crash 500. If you want to sell the crashes, then you have to wait for it to get to a major resistance level before you jump into it again. So let's check out boom 1000 now. Okay, boom 1000. Oh, let me take it. Okay, boom 1000 is presently on uptrend, so if you must sell it, you will have to wait for it to get to a major resistance level, or for it that I'm using the signal indicator now. So if you are using the signal indicator, you can use this strategy. It's either you wait for it to turn down into downtrend. How do you know if it is in downtrend? This blue color will change to yellow. That is when it will go into downtrend. Then also you can also come in each time it breaks this line, because it is still within the blue color. You won't be able to stay for a very long time before while you are picking your trade, you won't be able to stay in the market for a very long time. You can also come in whenever you get a sell signal, but because it is in uptrend now, you need to be very careful around there. You need to be very careful around there. But for those that are trading spike, then this is the best opportunity for you to trade spike. You can place your order around the line, around the blue lines, or if it breaks the blue line, you can place another order around the white line. So that is that about that. So let's move on to today's training proper. Today's training, we are looking at trading boom and crash using the higher time frame. But before going fully into it, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Check the subscription button below this video, click on it, and also click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. It is easier and faster if you use the WhatsApp number. Thank you. So let's go to the trading platform again to continue with today's training. Okay, if you want to use the higher time frame to trade, it is important we know the general trend of the market. So we are using the signal indicator to do our analysis today. So the first thing, if you watch my last video, I tried as much as possible to explain properly using the last video, but I made use of the crusher indicator, and a few people have been asking questions about it, so I want to clarify a few things before going to other topics, because as from my next video, we will be looking at how we can trade the market successfully using some system indicators. Some of the indicators that comes with the video. I bet you won't want to miss the series of videos that will be coming up from next week, because even with that, for those that cannot afford some of this custom made indicator, you can easily use that to trade the market successfully. So like I said already, using the daily time frame, you should know that the market is generally on uptrend. It was really on downtrend yesterday. You can see it going on downtrend yesterday, and it started here today. You can see, okay, let me pick this. You can see it starting here, not below where it started from yesterday, starting on the point. So which is a signal that it is likely for it to go up, and you can see it already. It's been going up since morning. It's been going up since morning, and which means that the general trend for today is uptrend. The general trend for today is uptrend. Probably in the night it can change the direction, but at the moment it is in uptrend. So which means if you must trade, you focus more on the uptrend direction. So if you are the type that loves selling boom, this might not be the best time for you to sell it, except if you follow the rules guiding your indicator. Remember, I'm using the signal indicator. So we've known the general trend for the day by checking day one. So let's bring it down to H4 to see how to analyze it. In H4, it tells us, or it gives us the details that it means that each of the candles here are created within 4 hours. Takes 4 hours to be created. You can see that in H4 it came down a bit. It came down a bit at a particular time before coming up, but presently within this present 4 hours, it is on uptrend. So if you must trade within the present 4 hours, then you should know that it's going to be on uptrend. Actually, the market is trying to turn into downtrend, but it is yet to recover from the daily uptrend. So that is that about that. But in the 4 hours, in the last 4 hours, the market has been on uptrend. So let's see more. Let's go to 1 hour to see what is really happening in lower time frame. Okay, you can see in 1 hour it tells us that each of the candles here takes an hour to be created. It takes an hour to be created, and you can see that in 1 hour, 1 hour started, it's ended the downtrend here and started the uptrend there. That is why you're seeing different spikes or bullish candles here, despite the fact that it is trying to come down a bit, but it is more of uptrend than downtrend. So that is that about that. So let's see a clearer picture of what is happening in 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes is also giving us uptrend. You can see that it has changed to blue fully and it is still going up. This is one 30-minute candle, which is a bullish candle. This is another bullish candle, and this is another one. This also ended a bullish candle. So let's see what this will end with. Actually, this particular bullish candle got to this level and it came down again. It came down again, which means in lower time frame, probably in 1 minute, it is selling at that moment. So let's see what is happening in 15 minutes before we go to 1 minute. You can see in 15 minutes of the last 15 minutes, it sold within the last 15 minutes. The new 15 minutes that it is creating, it is still selling. So you can see that it is selling. That does not mean that it has changed from buying to selling. Probably it is trying to retrace a bit. It is trying to reverse the step a bit before continuing with the uptrend. Probably it is finding it difficult to break a certain resistance level in higher time frame, and it is trying to pull back a bit, and after the pullback it might go up with a full force and go back into uptrend. So you have to be very careful if you are trading boom 1000. So do your analysis very well. Do not be deceived when you are trading it today. Do not be deceived. Okay, you can see it here now. This is 5 minute time frame. Each of the candles here are created within 5 minutes. You can see the spikes started from here, came down a bit, spiked again on the line, which changed the line to blue. That is, it changed the line from yellow to blue, which is a signal that tells us that already the market is in uptrend, even in lower time frame. You can see the spikes happening from here. It started here and it continued to this level, so which means it's been on uptrend for a while, and it might continue like that for some time. But at the moment, it's tried to pull back a bit, and you can see it creating 1 2 3 4 5, that is 20 minute candles, and it's creating another one, which will make it 25 minutes bearish candle if that is successful. So that is that about that. It is just a pullback. It might continue the uptrend if it is unable to break the support level. That this line will get to this level. You can see it just spikes. That's what I said. If it is able to beat the support level and it's unable to beat it, and it spiked up. So that is why I say you must. So don't say that because it is going down now that you should quickly enter. No, you've missed the opportunity. If you didn't enter from the major resistance here, you've already missed the opportunity. So always make sure you understand the signal, the indicator you are using, and always make sure you follow the rules and regulation guiding the indicator. Do not try to apply your own rule, because that can get you confused, and at the end of the day you won't know what to do. Okay, you can see I've taken it down to 1 minute. It sold for a while because it actually broke this support level in 1 minute. And that is, it crossed this line in 1 minute. It broke out from this line in 1 minute. So that is why you see it selling for a while, and you can see it spiking up again. If it gets to this level and breaks it again, then probably it might be going down on downtrend, most especially if it gets to this line, this white line, and it breaks it down, then we are going on downtrend fully, because already in 1 minute the blue line is turning into yellow line already. But that does not mean it cannot change back into blue line if the uptrend is yet to be over. So that is that about that. That is how you can use the higher time frame to start your analysis, to know the general trend of the day. Then you bring it to lower time frame to know if at that particular period it is still following the trend for the day, or it is trying to reverse or to retrace a bit. Then you should know when to enter, what to do before you enter a trade, then when to exit a trade. So remember, your support and your resistance level are also very important. So I will be stopping here for now. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are still on the screen right now. You can contact me using my contact details, and you do not forget to join my Telegram channel, most especially if you want to download the shares trend indicator. You can join my Telegram channel to download it. Then also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Hit on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that is that about that. Watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola. God bless.